Hey there, I'm Joey. I'm coming to you from Congaree National Park, and I'd like to welcome you to Joyful Rambler. Thanks for dropping into my channel. If you'd like to learn about backpacking, gear, because I'm a bit of a gear geek, adventure travel, and just exploring the great outdoors, you are definitely in the right place. I cover a lot of ground on my channel, literally. A lot of my videos are about long distance hikes, like my time on the Appalachian Trail, the Colorado Trail coming up, and then also a lot of shorter hikes that I'm doing in national parks, state parks, and national forest land, anywhere I can find a good trail actually. I like to tell it like it is in my videos, so you won't see a lot of fancy, polished up, filtered kind of stuff. You'll see the gritty reality, the good, the bad, sometimes the painful. I'm excited to share all that with you, and I'm doing it now in my ProMaster van that I built out by myself with a little bit of help from my boyfriend and some friends. And that is my home on wheels right now. And it's a great adventure van, gives me a chance to get around, see all different kinds of things with my dog Forrest, and we're having a good time, so I hope you come along. I also love to hear from my viewers, so if you are watching a video and you've got questions or comments, make sure that you drop them down below, and I respond to as many of those as I possibly can, because like I said, I love to hear from you guys. And if you've got questions or suggestions for places that you'd like me to visit, to hike, that sort of thing, I'd love to hear that as well, so don't be shy. And I do hope that along the way, you won't have as many bugs as I do. I hope that along the way, you will find some inspiration for your own future adventures as you share mine.